Hey everybody, welcome to The More You Learn. Today we will be talking about what linear momentum is and how it is used in physics for calculations. What is linear momentum? To explain it in simple terms, linear momentum is a vector quantity that is calculated by multiplying mass and velocity of an object. When mass and velocity of an object are multiplied, it gives you an object's linear velocity, represented with the letter p. Something else to note about linear momentum is that the vector of the velocity is always going to be in the same direction as its momentum, and it is also closely related to Newton's second law of motion. The relationship between Newton's second law of motion and linear momentum is obvious, but it can be confusing if your knowledge base of physics is not firm. Newton's second law of motion states that force equals mass times acceleration. The calculation for linear momentum is p equals mass times velocity. This p value for change in momentum can then be divided by the change in time to discover the force of an object. Velocity and acceleration are closely related but separate things. Velocity is the rate at which the position of an object changes with respect to time, whereas acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. Now we will do some practical exercises to calculate linear momentum of an object. As you will remember, linear momentum is expressed as the equation p equals mass times velocity. Let us assume that we have an object that has a mass of 8 kilograms and it is moving at a velocity of 15 meters per second. We would plug in our known values and solve the equation. 8 multiplied by 15 equals 120, so the linear momentum would be 120 kilogram meters per second. Now that we did a basic problem, let's do something a little more challenging. Let's calculate the average force of a baseball when hit by a bat in the major leagues. The problem is displayed in yellow on this slide. The first step would be to insert our known values in the formula on top. First, the mass of the ball and velocity of the baseball would be multiplied on top. This would equal 5.88 kilogram meters per second. This would be divided by the lower number, which is 0.7 milliseconds, and would equal 8,400 newtons, which would then be converted to pounds to equal 1,888.395 pounds of force when the baseball is hit. I hope this video was informative for you. I really enjoyed making it. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and comment on what topic you would like to learn about next. Have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.